A good breeder will often have introduced your puppy to feathers long before the two of you met. Little guys and gals can carry wings and feathers around happily after they're only a few weeks old. When you get your puppy at around 7 to 8 weeks old, you should continue carefully monitored sessions of using wings and birds. Now, I realize that many people don't have ready access to birds, especially game birds. Do your best, but even if your pup is a little older when you finally get your hands on some birds, do it the same way. He should already have been playing fetch games with paint rollers and or bumpers, and you'll tease him with the birds or wings the same way and throw them a short distance to retrieve. It's rare that a puppy doesn't want to light up in excitement at this opportunity.
Rough it up a little.
Even if he doesn't at first, it usually won't take long for an enthusiastic pup to develop a strong preference for feathers.
He's got some desire.
Yeah. I've seen them a lot worse than that. That had no interest in it.
Yeah, George.
Yeah.
That a puppy.
Oh, he's close. He's close.
Yeah, he's getting close. Let's just stay with that. Boy, life is good, isn't it?
Man.
Good puppy. Good puppy. There we go. Now back away from it. Back away from him. Let him follow you with it. There we go. They're a little hard to find a handle on at first. All right. Good puppy.
Girl, good girl. Good girl. All right. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there's that bird. Where's that bird? Where's that bird? All right. That a girl. Come on. Come on. That a girl. That a girl. Good girl. Here. Good girl. All right. That a big girl. That a big girl. You're done. Yeah, you're done. All right. All right. All right. All right. Gotta give me my stuff back. Come here. That a girl. All right. That a good girl. That a good girl. All right. All right. All right. That a girl. Get it. Get it. Go on. Get it. Get it. That a girl. That a girl. Here. Here. That a good girl. All right. All right. Can I have a bite of that duck?
Introducing artificial game birds is done pretty much the same way.